Hello everyone and welcome back to Planet and Prospering. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Linnell. On this channel, I do lifestyle, which includes gardening, cleaning, my teaching, my master's journey, and whatever else I decide that I want to share. Stay tuned for today's video. I hope you enjoy. As you can see, I need to do some weeding, and I've also been planning to add more soil to my raised bed garden, and that's what you will see me doing just a little bit of today. So I have my tools out here that I'm going to be using. I have this, and I'll be using this later to put the soil in here. I just heard some thundering right before I turned on the camera, so I don't know how long and how much I'll get done before the rain comes in. So basically what I'm doing is trying to, I didn't even bother to get my gloves, pull the weeds out before I put any more soil in here. And I'm starting with this end where the corn is because they need more soil. I sprinkled some fertilizer in here, but I was reading and watching some videos last night, and I need, I'm about to mess up something here. I need some nitrogen for the corn. So that's on the agenda in the next few days here, so that and I only have a few stalks. I know y'all see that, but I'm trying it, and I really won't be doing a raised bed garden, I don't think, in the future, because I'll be moving and I'll have a big backyard to work in, and I'll probably change to some other type gardening. I don't know if I'm going to do no-till or what yet, but I will be moving, and it'll probably, I'll be honest with you guys, I don't like this raised bed. It's a lot of work, and I think I would just prefer it to come directly out of the ground, and I'll go from there. So this is what I'm doing. I don't have a lot of space on my phone. My camera was dead, and so I'm just gonna, I wanted you to see what I was intending to do. I'm gonna do this across the whole little raised bed and add some soil, and I will bring you guys back when I start adding the soil. Okay, I am going to speak up a little louder because of my AC unit in the background, but as you can see, I weeded some, got some of the weeds out, and I'm going to go ahead and add some soil to this side because I feel raindrops, and that means it's going to be coming down soon. So let me go ahead and try to get some soil down before the worst. I definitely didn't get to do a good job because the rain is coming in, and I'm about to dig up something trying to get those weeds. Okay, so I have just some basic potting mix that I'm using from Walmart, and I'm just going to add this in to the raised bed. Pardon my neighbors in the background. They can't see me, so they don't know I'm recording. And I guess they won't carry that. If you can see, that's my watermelon that I'm trying to put dirt around. And those over there are eggplants, if I'm remembering correctly. I'm rushing and I'm dropping more than I'm putting in the thing. Like I said, I'm fighting the rain coming. But anyway, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to pause you here because you see what I'm doing. Okay, the rain is coming down, and this is how much I've done so far. You can kind of see where it starts. You can hear the thundering in the background. I will get more done hopefully tomorrow, but I did get this corn covered. So you can see the rain coming down. I jumped in my truck. I used the tailgate of my truck to as a table when I'm gardening and things like that. And you're getting a nice little view of the front of my house. Anyway, let me get out of this truck and get in the house so I can cook dinner.